In this video, I will show you how to leverage Claude as a professional RevOps specialist to resolve those frustrating HubSpot sync errors once and for all. If you have ever stared at a technical log and felt completely lost, this method will change how you manage your CRM. The secret lies in a very specific prompt that forces the AI to act as a certified HubSpot administrator. To get started, you need to copy your specific error message or log directly from the HubSpot Sync Health dashboard. Then, you will open Claude and paste a master prompt that directs the AI to provide a root cause analysis, a step-by-step fix, and a data repair template. You should tell Claude to act as a RevOps specialist to troubleshoot the error you just pasted. This allows the AI to explain in simple terms exactly why the sync is failing, whether it is due to API limits, a data type mismatch, or strict validation rules. Moving forward, the instructions you receive will be clear and sequential so you know exactly which buttons to click inside HubSpot or your connected app. One of the best parts of this technique is the data repair template, which shows you exactly how your corrected data should look if the error was caused by bad phone number formatting or invalid country codes. By using this structured approach, you turn a vague technical headache into a clear, actionable resolution plan that keeps your data flowing perfectly between your tech stack. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you master your HubSpot integration today.